And Ratnasiddhi, as I said, is very caring nature. So he inspires me.
So I want you to say one quality that you think you've gained through being in GFR process.
Yeah.
So you didn't have before, now you have. Yeah?
Okay. I will say GFR प्रोसेस से अपने को
क्या मिला?
तो एक डीप अंडरस्टैंडिंग जो है धम्म की, वो डीप अंडरस्टैंडिंग है।
I got deep understanding of Dharma.
Deep मतलब
डीप मतलब यानी डीप मतलब जो तत्व है बुद्धिज्म के, जो तत्व है जो ऐसे समझ में नहीं आते, तो वो तत्व बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से स्पष्ट हो गए वो शिविरों के माध्यम से।
The elements of the Dhamma which are not which I was not able to understand properly. Because of the retreats, I'm able to get understanding, clear understanding.
Can you give me one example?
जैसे
Cause and
Praticca Samuppada.
हाँ, प्रतीत्य समुत्पाद।
हाँ।
तो जैसे प्रतीत्य समुत्पाद है, अब ये चीज है इसलिए वो है, वो चीज है इसलिए वो है, तो ये एक प्रकार की कड़ी है, मगर इस कड़ी को ऐसे ही समझना बहुत मुश्किल है।
It is difficult to understand cause and effect relation.
मगर वो कड़ी हम जब वहाँ पे रहते हैं और उसका स्टडी करते हैं, तो हर चीज कैसे एक के साथ में इंटरलिंक है वो हमको पता चलता है और उसका एक्सपीरियंस हम लेते हैं।
Here we get experience that how each of the things is linked together with each other.
तो वो जो लिंक है, अगर हम उसका लिंक लगाते हैं तो वो डायरेक्ट हमारे गुरुओं से लेके वो डायरेक्ट बुद्ध तक उसकी लिंक जाती है।
If we get that link, it is direct, not only related us with our guru, and it goes to the Buddha.
तो ये प्रतीत्य समुत्पाद वहाँ पे समझ में आता है।
Here I got chance to understand Pratyuttya Samutpad.
तो ये बात है।
Yeah. So before I'm joining GFR retreat, so my mind is very narrow-minded. But now I'm open-minded because before GFR retreat attend, I am thinking like this, I am like this, why I can do. But when I am started to attend this retreat, GFR retreat, Kalyan Mitrata, Shraddha, Sharangaman, and others. So then I learned in this retreat. So I want to open-minded, and I am start work on my mind. And but now I am not like this mind. My mind is open and. My mind is present situation is accepted now. Now my understanding is some different. Yeah.
Good.
Well, I think one of the most practical thing that I have learned from GFR retreat is that when I attended GFR retreat, fortunately or unfortunately, I'm the youngest of all. And there were three friends who were close to my age, though a bit elder. So there we have got the biggest the responsibilities of doing hard work, like washing big vessels. And it was strange for me because earlier when I did some retreats, not DBMS retreat, other Buddhist centers, like Goenka's retreat. There, the retreat is treated differently. Means a retreat has to do meditation only, no work, no responsibility. But GFR retreat is totally different. Here we are not only learning Buddhism and practicing meditation, but we were actively involved in doing all kind of activities. So this type of work made me think that no, it's not, Buddhism is not just to sit and meditate,
Yeah.
but also to work.
Yeah. Good. Okay, so last question. I'd just like you to say what you enjoy most about TBMSG. Doesn't have to be so more general. What do you enjoy most? What's your favourite thing?
Yeah. So first, before I'm joining TBMSG, my life is very different. But I had attended a first retreat in Bhajar 2003. So then I'm first time listening Buddha Puja, Mahamangu Sutta, Karnimukha Sutta, all Gatha. So then I think, what is this? This is a Buddhism. I cannot accept this. But what I can feel, I don't know. Then I am started to attend to retreat, and then after I am changing in myself, following the precepts, doing continued meditation. Sometime my friends and family is telling, hey, he's a pagal, mad. Yeah, like this. प्रश्न क्या था सर?
मुझे प्रश्न आता कि
Repeat the question.
What do you most enjoy about TBMSG?
Yeah.
People saying you're mad.
Sorry.
Yeah.
But I'm did that time continue meditation and changed my mind. And after 1 year, 2 years, I feel my mind is changed and my attitude also changing. So now I'm seeing self. So I'm very changed now in my life. So that's why I want to more changes in my life. And I'm doing friendship development, studying Buddhism in deep, and understanding Baba Sahib and Bhantijis and Buddhas. So this thing is more important for me and my life. So that's why I'm enjoying in TBMS.
One thing, favourite thing.
Favorite.
Yeah.
Friendship. यानी फ्रेंडशिप ये बेस रहा पूरे TBMSG का, ऐसा मुझे लगता है.
I think friendship is the base of TBMSG.
तो वो उससे मैं बहुत ज़्यादा इंस्पायर हूँ अभी भी.
I'm inspired by this till now.
क्योंकि फ्रेंडशिप यानी वो एक ऐसा धागा है जिसके ऊपर में पूरे TBMSG का एक प्रकार से यूँ कहिए कि इमारत खड़ी है.
We can say it's a thread on which the whole structure of the TBMSG, this building of TBMSG is standing.
क्योंकि भंते जी से अभी हम लोग यानी जैसे हमारी मुलाकात नहीं हो पाती. मैं भंते जी को केवल 92 में मैं उनसे मिला.
It's not possible for me to meet Bhante directly. I met him in 1992 only, once.
लेकिन वो एक ऐसा लगता है कि सही में उन्होंने जो एक फ्रेंडशिप का एक जाला निर्माण किया, तो ऐसा लगता है कि हम भी उस जाले में हैं. क्योंकि सुबुति जी से इतना डायरेक्ट संपर्क होना, सुबुति जी का केयरिंग लेना और कुमार जी के संपर्क में होना, रत्न सिद्धि है, अमोघ सिद्धि है, तो इन सारे लोगों के धर्मशालीन है, सुबुति के सेक्रेटरी, उनके संपर्क में रहना, तो ये एक फ्रेंडशिप के बेस के ऊपर में ही क्रिएट हो पाया है, ऐसा मुझे लगता है.
I think though I am not in touch with Bhante directly, but I am in touch with Subhuti, Dharmashali, Kumarji, Ratna Siddhi and Amokh Siddhi, and I think I am in the same network.
तो वो मेरे लिए बहुत ही इंस्पायरिंग रहा, क्योंकि मैं 7 साल तक फ्रेंडशिप के इसमें मैं प्रैक्टिस करते रहा मेरे विश्व वज्रकुल में.
This is inspiring for me because I am practicing this for last 7 years in my Vishwa Vajrakul community.
तो फ्रेंडशिप एक धागा है जो पूरे विश्व को जोड़े रखा है, और खासकर संघ में.
And I think friendship is that thread that unites all different countries in one thread.
Thank you.
when I was not part of TBMSG, I heard a lot of criticism about TBMSG. And one of the criticism was that TBMSG is against Baba Saheb's vision. So when I came to know, when I joined this organization, the thing that I like most is that TBMSG is propagating Baba Saheb's views.